I made project like scanning in supermarket. In this project I am using RFID, TFT LCD, ESP32. Product details already stored in RFID card. Here I used one push button to go back to home screen. Please watch full video to make this project. Install Adafruit GFX library. Paste here and install the library. Install MCU friend library manually because I have modified the library for ESP32. Choose your board and proper port number. If you do not know the port number, see in Device Manager. Click Upload button to upload program to your board.